Our club is known as the SUNY Oswego Investment Fund. So we just hit $1 million this August.
Well, for us, 2 years ago when I took it over, we were at 600,000. To hit $1 million, I think compounded, that's 29% a year.
We have built on the strength of others. We have stood on the shoulders of giants. And $1 million is not just a number, it's a story.
Usually Wednesdays around 8 o'clock, we meet here and discuss as a club about some stock proposals we have in mind to add to our portfolio.
Well, as an advisor, I really stress that it's a student-run fund.
We have portfolio managers, senior and junior analysts, and we have chief investment officers, vice president of education, CEO, CIO, all those things a firm would have. So it really gives you that look into how the career and industry might look after you get out of school.
Because when you learn class, you just learn theory. And theory is based on really strong assumptions, but when you're investing real money in the real market, okay, you got to get faced with the fact that people aren't rational all the time, and that there are trading costs, and that there are, taxes, and all these things affect your investment decisions, right?
Whoever is watching this, stop by at the investment club and, see what we have to offer, because $1 million is just the starting point.